Canada, a land of innovation where ideas are born and thrive. From the basketball court to the snowy slopes, Canada has given the world some of its greatest inventions. And now there's a new addition to that list. Introducing ShopLiftr, the digital ad tech company that's changing the game. Founded 19 years ago in our nation's capital, ShopLiftr is leading the charge in revolutionizing the digital ad space. With the largest proprietary database of active trade promotions in North America, they're empowering brands and retailers with a dynamic creative platform that delivers results. And it's all thanks to the team of experts who understand the needs and behaviors of Canadian shoppers. ShopLiftr helps brands and retailers connect with their target audience on a more personalized level, delivering impressive sales results across a range of product categories. But it's not just about sales. ShopLiftr believes that every shopper deserves to find the perfect deal. That's why they offer geo-targeted display and video ads that are available in both English and French, ensuring that consumers receive accurate and relevant deal information in their preferred language. ShopLiftr solutions are tailored to meet the unique needs of Canadian brands and retailers, from CPG to DIY, restaurants to furniture. So if you're ready to take your digital advertising to the next level, join the ShopLiftr revolution and harness the power of personalized, engaging dynamic ads to connect with your consumers like never before. Because in Canada, we don't just innovate, we revolutionize.